Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop shapes on Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, I need you to click the following options, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cropping shapes on Canva is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your design process and the overall visual impact of your projects. Alright? Because cropping images into different shapes can make your design stand out and look more creative compared to using standard rectangular images. Now, for us to be able to crop any shapes here on Canva platform, you might want to go to the elements. Okay, so I'm gonna put in anything here, maybe like this subscribe button, or maybe an image. Okay, right, so I have two images here. And again, if you haven't already, you might want to subscribe to Andy's Guide YouTube channel. We upload daily content for you guys, and we're proud that we're doing it on a daily basis. Now, you see, these are the elements. Even if you go for the text, all right? So if you hover your mouse to any specific part of the elements on your canvas, you would see there's an option that says edit image. And what will happen is this is going to be where you can crop images. Okay? You have free form wherein, you see, that's the free form. You have also the aspect ratio. So there's a lot that you can choose in cropping images. You can expand, but that's for the pro subscription. You can also choose the smart cropping. Click the image again, go to crop, and there is a thing called smart cropping. All right, so there's a lot that you can do because shapes can be used to highlight specific parts of an image, drawing attention to important details of subjects. And of course, shapes can be cropped to fit specific design layouts or templates used, ensuring that images blend seamlessly with other design elements. You also have an option here to drag and resize, but that's not basically cropping. You see this one, you can also drag the thing to crop. For example, you don't want the hands, and like putting it in between the two Andy's guides. I'm gonna show on that. You see? Basically, that's how you crop images and shapes to fit images into the designated spaces, avoiding awkward gaps or misalignment in your design. It's a very easy process. You can also go to the videos. Now, there are like pro subscription and free. For example, we're going for the videos. Maybe this one for now. Okay. Of course, we can also crop this video. I'm gonna put it at the back. And of course, edit vid. You see there's a crop factor here, right? So it's up to you. Where do you want to crop the video here? Essentially into various adding layers to of creativity can make your design more visually appealing and interesting. Click on done, and that's how you crop shapes or videos here on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.